welcome Little Masti Chandra Heads. Today we are going to learn addition table of 1 to 10 in reverse order. Shall we learn? Come on, let's learn. Friends, shall we start? Come on, let's start. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. 18 plus 1 is equal to 90. 17 plus 1 is equal to 80. 16 plus 1 is equal to 70. 15 plus 1 is equal to 60. 14 plus 1 is equal to 50. 13 plus 1 is equal to 40. 12 plus 1 is equal to 30. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Friends, shall we start addition table of 2? Come on, let's start. 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. 17 plus 2 is equal to 90. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 9 plus 2 is equal to 30. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Friends, shall we start addition table of 3? Come on, let's start. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. 16 plus 3 is equal to 90. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 11 plus 3 is equal to 40. 10 plus 3 is equal to 30. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Friends, shall we start addition table of 4? Come on, let's start. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. 15 plus 4 is equal to 90. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. 10 plus 4 is equal to 40. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Friends, shall we start addition table of 5? Come on, let's start. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 14 plus 5 is equal to 90. 13 plus 5 is equal to 80. 12 plus 5 is equal to 70. 11 plus 5 is equal to 60. 10 plus 5 is equal to 50. 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. 8 plus 5 is equal to 30. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Friends, shall we start addition table of 6? Come on, let's start. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. 10 plus 6 is equal to 60. 9 plus 6 is equal to 50. 8 plus 6 is equal to 40. 7 plus 6 is equal to 30. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. equal to 80. 10 plus 7 is equal to 70. 9 plus 7 is equal to 60. 8 plus 7 is equal to 50. 7 plus 7 is equal to 40. 6 plus 7 is equal to 30. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Friends, shall we start addition table of 8? Come on, let's start. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 10 plus 8 is equal to 80. 9 plus 8 is equal to 70. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 7 plus 8 is equal to 50. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Friends, shall we start addition table of 9? Come on, let's start. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 8 plus 9 is equal to 70. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Friends, shall we start addition table of 10? Come on, let's start. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 9 plus 10 is equal to 90. 8 plus 10 is equal to 80. 7 plus 10 is equal to 70. 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. 3 plus 10 is equal to 13. 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Friends, did you enjoy this video? Please like, share, subscribe. Keep watching Little Master Chandra Hayes. Thank you, friends.